Ready to enroll at Enlightium Academy, but still aren't sure which program is the best fit for your student? In this video, we'll discuss the Enlightium Prep Online program. Enlightium Prep Online serves students in grades 3 through 12. It's a fully accredited, online private school with a structured weekly schedule of live classes designed to help students stay connected to their teachers and peers. Enlightium Prep students receive a rigorous Christian education from skilled and dedicated teachers, delivered through a curriculum that we've built and refined over more than 20 years. The program offers a full course catalog with 5 core courses and dozens of electives across every grade level. High school students receive college preparatory guidance from a dedicated counselor and work toward an accredited diploma recognized by universities nationwide. Enlightium Prep is a strong fit for students who do well with structure, consistent teacher support, and regular time with classmates. The school week has a consistent shape and flow. Mondays and Tuesdays are instructional, live, teacher-led sessions where students are introduced to new material and experience structured learning in real time. Wednesdays and Thursdays include scheduled workshops with small group sessions built for application and practice. Study Hall is also available Monday through Thursday as a drop-in resource with a live teacher. No appointment needed. Weekly Bible study and live monthly chapels are held on Fridays. Friday enrichment days are optional, but students who participate can rotate between 2 project-based programs each quarter, the Builder Hub and the Inquiry Hub. Builder Hub students develop real digital skills and spend 9 weeks making something, an app, a website, a working prototype. Inquiry Hub students investigate a contested question, build an argument, and defend it under pressure from their peers. Both hubs run with the same group of classmates across the full quarter, giving students an opportunity for real, productive collaboration with their peers. The school day wraps up in the early afternoon, leaving the rest of the day open. Student athletes, performers, and students with other outside commitments often find that the schedule gives them the structure they need without crowding out everything else that matters. All of this is included in enrollment: weekly live instruction, small group learning, daily study hall, one-on-one teacher support by video or phone, a personal academic advisor, and full access to the Enlightium Prep online community, including all events and activities. There are no add-on fees. To learn more about Enlightium Prep Online and see if it's the right fit for your family, visit enlightiumprep.com today.